Unraveling Idioms, Tickled Pink, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a colorful and expressive idiom in the English language, tickled pink. If you've ever wondered what this phrase means or how to use it in conversation, you're in the right place. Let's explore together why being tickled pink has nothing to do with colors or tickling. The phrase, tickled pink, is a vivid idiom used to express great delight or pleasure. Imagine someone being so happy or amused that their face lights up in a rosy, pink glow. That's the visual metaphor behind this expression. It has nothing to do with the actual act of tickling or the color pink. Instead, it's all about a state of joyful satisfaction or being very pleased about something. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us appreciate their usage even more. The phrase, tickled pink, is believed to have first appeared in print in the early 20th century. The tickled part refers to the sensation of being tickled leading to involuntary laughter or pleasure, while pink is often associated with health and vitality, suggesting a glowing face of someone who's very pleased. Together, they create a vivid image of someone experiencing a high level of joy or satisfaction. Incorporating idioms like tickled pink into your speech can add color and expressiveness to your English. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. I was tickled pink to receive your invitation. She was tickled pink by the surprise birthday party. He's going to be tickled pink when he hears the news. Remember, tickled pink is usually used in informal settings, such as casual conversations with friends or family. It's not typically used in formal contexts. If you enjoy learning about tickled pink, you might also like these similar expressions. Over the moon, extremely pleased or happy. On cloud nine, feeling great happiness or euphoria. In seventh heaven, in a state of bliss or happiness. These idioms, like tickled pink, help convey feelings of joy and satisfaction in a more vivid and imaginative way. And there you have it, a closer look at the idiom, tickled pink. We hope you're now tickled pink to have learned something new and interesting about the English language. Remember, the beauty of English lies in its idiosyncrasies, including the colorful idioms that paint our conversations with joy and expressiveness. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Happy learning, and may your learning journey always keep you tickled pink.